Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Chrome. So you can restore closed tabs in Chrome in several ways. So let's say, for example, you accidentally close Chrome or the browser crashes and you lost your tabs. So what you need to do, so let's close this, for example. Then let's reopen it. Next, choose your profile. Now, to restore those tabs, what you can do is to press Control plus Shift plus T. And that's it. Super simple, super fast. So again, just press Control plus Shift plus T to restore those tabs or window. So press the shortcut repeatedly to reopen multiple recently closed tabs in reverse order. So press the shortcut repeatedly. So remember that. Next, you can also right click on an empty area of the tab bar next to your open tabs. So right click in here, then select reopen closed window.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's it. So the window will be reopened. Next thing you can do is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to history and select recent tabs. So go to recent tabs and click restore window, and that window will be restored. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.